really special, really cool video, and I'm so excited for you all to watch it. Finally, I know it's taken a while for it to come out, but there was just so much footage and so many videos, and we had to like, I don't know, it was just a really chaotic situation. But finally the video is out, and I'm actually shooting the intro and outro of this video later on because I was in such a hurry that day, and I also didn't know how this vlog is going to turn out, so that's why I'm doing this right now. So this is basically the Ricci meetup vlog. So basically Ria and I wanted to host a meetup for quite some time now, but we didn't know like how we should do it or what we should do it, and then we finally thought, okay, let's just go ahead and do it, because then why waste time? And obviously for all the people who couldn't come, we are going to do more of these meetups, so next time maybe you can come. And stay tuned for a giveaway at the end of this video, and it's going to be a really cool giveaway. It's going to be the giveaway of the t-shirts that we gave the people that came to the meetup, so that's really exciting. So you have to watch the video till the end to know what you need to do for the giveaway and get those t-shirts. So yeah, let's begin from the very beginning. We decided to have this meetup, and we wanted to make it really exclusive and like really few people, so we can actually talk to every single person and have fun, and wanted it to be like a personal connection with everyone, and everyone can have fun, everyone can talk to us, take pictures with us, take videos with us. So that's why we kept it like really exclusive and few people, and that's why most of y'all couldn't come for it. But don't worry, we'll be doing more of these, and next time maybe you can come for it. We made like a checklist of all the things we want to have at the meetup. Like we had a few games, then we had like a different picture session time, because I knew everyone wanted pictures, and also we had like this really cool bracelet stall. I'll put the link of the girl who makes the bracelets. She has a small business and she makes these customized bracelets for us, and she had a stall where she made customized name bracelets for every single person that came, and also had like a very cool setup. People could make bracelets, necklaces, phone charms, and like the coolest stuff. You will see ahead in the video. Like cute gift bags which had like the Ricci t-shirts. It said Ricci's Day Out, and I was there, and few of you all will also get a chance to get those, so stay tuned. And then we had like a cute setup where we could people could write notes for us on post-its and stick it, and then now we still have those, so we can like go back to them and read them. And yeah, it just feels so personal and so special. So that was the main idea behind this. And we had like yummy food. Grandma's hosted us. That was really great. We wanted to announce the meetup in a really cool way, so we did like a photo shoot at the beach. These are a few pictures from there. I hope you've seen them on Instagram. If you haven't, then follow us on Instagram and see those also. And that was like so cool, and that's how we announced it. Then we had a whole like Google form thing to fill the forms, and then we shortlisted a few people, and that's how we ended up at this situation. Now you can see some shots of the meetup. Hi guys, so this is the morning of the meetup. I hope I've vlogged like an intro before this, because right now I didn't shoot it. I am in such a hurry. I'm getting ready, and I'm going to show you my proper outfit later, but this is a glimpse of it. It's a dress, and I'm so excited right now to meet y'all. Like I can't believe it. Yesterday Ria and I were discussing also, okay, are we nervous or are we excited? We are both, honestly we are both. And now I'm gonna get ready, and then I'll catch up with you all when I am on my way. I am completely ready. This is how I look. I love this dress so much. I was like really skeptical like what to wear, and even when I went like to buy something, I couldn't figure out. Like this is the first time I tried so many outfits. Otherwise normally like I know what I want to wear. I tried like 4 or 5 dresses, and this was like really cute and also like good for a day event, and Ria and Sahil both liked it. So then I was like, and even my mom liked it, so I was like, then I think I need to go for this dress. And then I'm wearing this butterfly thingy chain that also I got from H&M, and my usual bracelets, and I'm loving it. Literally have so much like saman to carry with me. It's not even funny. Like I have to carry one big grill board kind of thing, one bag where it has my laptop and stuff like that, and another bag that has all the things for all the goodies like for the followers and for the games that we're gonna play. So that's gonna be a little stressful going there, but then we're all gonna be good. And yeah, I'm just gonna wait now for some time and then leave, because I don't want to reach like I don't want to like what if the place is not open when I reach? Might eat something and then okay, so we are in the car and we have
I don't know what to say.
and Anmol is also coming, by the way, to shoot, and Harsh is also going to shoot some things, and we have lots of saman, as I said, and we are having thepla. I'm not having thepla. Like before some major event I can't eat something. No, yeah. I just don't feel like eating something, but after the event I'll feel very hungry for sure, and obviously at the event we have yummy food, so that's when I'm gonna be eating. Riya, yeah, Riya, so pretty. You know, actually both of us are matching with the, like,
What a surprise.
the white. No.
Oh, I thought like, okay.
Green.
Yeah.
Green and white.
It actually looks like we coordinated with the restaurant.
Yes, we are so excited.
Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bro, I was in the cab. I was telling my
I woke up at 7:30 without an alarm. Has that ever?
Caught on camera.
Yeah, I know.
Caught on camera. What are you all preparing for? Gift hampers.
Presents for people.
Yeah, please. Riya is looking. हाँ बाद में करेंगे ना the vlogging का.
You can, yeah.
The colors are so pretty.
Oh my God, it's looking very nice.
एंड ये फिर मैं एग्जैक्ट मार्क रखूंगा देन यू गाइस
Can we
ओपन
do
अगेन
50? Go fast.
3 2 1 2 कम सॉरी माय बैड
Let's go.
जब तुम दोनों आओगे ये
Riya! Oh my God! Hi, Riya! What's up?
It's okay, I don't. It's fine. You're my spelling that.
Come. Hi. Hi.
What's up? What's your name?
Mahika. Hi. Nice to meet you. Hi. Thank you.
I'm Rash.
Hello. She's showing like she's doing all
Yeah, exactly.
What rubbish? Rash.
Now what you're seeing is like the hook step challenge. We organized a proper hook step challenge where we had a few songs written down and people could like guess the hook steps of them, and then they could dance, and whenever someone won we gave them like a gift. We had a few gifts, and they had like we had like a basket and they could just pick up anything they want. That was like a really cool thing. And then we had a game. We also organized a quiz game, Kahoot. I don't know if you all know Kahoot. It's a really cool website or a app where you can play games together. You can have a quiz and everyone can answer the questions at the same time, and you come to know like who's winning and who's losing. And the questions were really cool. They were like all about Richie and how well do people know us. So that was one thing. We had such a great time doing this, and it just felt so good. Like we were so happy and felt so fulfilled at the end of the day. Like meeting y'all finally in person is just the best thing ever. And yeah, I would like love to do more of these.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah, we were definitely looking forward to it, and it was very nice, it was very amazing, and I think they both are the sweetest person on earth. And so I got a sleeping mask and I got goggles that were also selected by the two of them.
Oh, that's nice.
It was really great. First, when I saw that meetup is happening, I was very excited. Within 20 minutes, I was the first, not the first person I guess so, but to fill the form within 20 minutes. These are really nice. They organized everything. We got a matching name, bracelet and a customized we could make. So I made a necklace, and it was really sweet of both of them to arrange such a beautiful meetup for us. I'm really thankful and grateful for it.
So I just got to know about this meetup happening, and I just had to come here, and I think I did the best decision. I was in two thoughts because it was in Chembur, but I think I just had the best time ever.
So it was a very great time meeting Richi, and as soon as I heard about the meetup, I was so excited to come and see Richi, Kanchi and Riya. So I loved the experience and I want more such meetup and dance videos as well.
Meetup was amazing. They made us play some amazing games like Kahoot, Bollywood quiz, and we had prizes. The food was tasty, and Riya and Kanchi are so sweet, and it felt so warm to be around them. It was so much fun.
They are literally the sweetest people ever, and we've been following them for a while now.
That I have with me. Thank you so much for every one of y'all that came. Y'all made our day so special, and we're always gonna remember y'all. Like, y'all are a part of our family. It was just the best day, and yeah, I'm just so grateful. Riya and I both, like, we were just talking after the meetup that it felt unreal. Like, it didn't feel like we were actually meeting y'all. It felt like, oh my god, so many people came for us. And obviously we gave them the customized Richi t-shirts, if y'all saw those in the vlog, and we might be doing a giveaway of those. So let's hop on to the giveaway now. So for the giveaway, you'll obviously know y'all are gonna get the t-shirts that we gave at the Richi meetup. 5 people are gonna win this, so y'all better be quick at this. This giveaway is not for people from Bombay. It's especially for people who do not live in Mumbai, because they obviously couldn't make it for the meetup. There was no chance that they could come. So all you have to do is mention where you're from. Make sure you're not from Bombay. Mention why do you love Richi and when please start following us, and your Instagram handle, so we can message you over there. So yeah, that's all you gotta do, and then I'll be picking 5 winners from this video, and you all will be getting the t-shirts. I'm so excited for you all to receive the t-shirts, because everywhere whenever we posted the t-shirts, also people have been commenting that we want the t-shirts and I wish I was there. The t-shirts are so cute, and yeah, so you all are gonna get those. So yeah, and that's it for today's video. I just feel so grateful to have a community like this. So cool. So whoever came, thank you so much. We really love you, and we appreciate all the efforts you took to meet us. And yeah, we're gonna do more of these, so keep hang in there, stay tuned for more updates, and I'll be seeing you really soon in my new video. Guys, please, I'm trying to be active on YouTube, but I always end up not being. Like, I think the last time I was active, like March, I was really active. I posted like 4 videos in a month. Like every week I had a video, March until April start. Then I've just been on and off. Watch the video till here, then leave a purple heart in the comments so I can see that. Much for watching. I love you guys. I'm gonna see you in the next one.